Hello, this is the video for StudyLinks 2.4. It's multiplying decimals and powers of 10. If you look in the top, this chart here should come in very handy. We're going to practice problem number 1, and you're going to try numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So problem number 1, says 4 and 9/10 times 0 and 1/1000 equals. Well, you can always solve this problem by just doing a regular multiplication problem, the algorithm that you're used to. So it says 4 and 9/10 times 0 and 0/1000. 1 times 9 is 9, 1 times 4 is 4. You don't have to multiply through the zeros because 0 times anything is 0. And we are going to go ahead and put some zeros in front of these because if you look, we notice that the decimal point is going to have four numbers behind it. So the decimal point is going to be placed here with those 4 numbers behind it. So we're going to put our answer is going to be 49/10,000. Now, another way to do it, and it's something you're going to learn in the 6th grade today, or excuse me, you're going to learn in the 6th grade this year, and that is you can take this number 1/1000 and you can turn it into an exponential notation. So it's going to have 10 as the base and an exponent in the top right hand corner. So if we look at 1/1000, 1/1000 is right here, and 1/1000 is equal to 1/10 times 1/10 times 1/10, and that's the same thing as 10 to the power of -3. So let's go ahead and rewrite 4 and 9/10 times 0 and 1/1000 is equal to 4 and 9/10, that stays the same, and then 1/1000 is right here, a 10 to the power of -3. So that's times 10 to the power of -3. So the trick that you can learn is that if you look at this number here, the exponent, if it's a negative exponent, the first number, this decimal, is going to move to the left. If it's a positive exponent, it's going to move to the right. And this only works if it's base 10. So let's go ahead and rewrite 4 and 9/10. And we said we're going to move the decimal 3 to the left. So we're going to take this and move it 3 over, but in order to do that we have to have some zeros in front of it, which there are an infinite number of zeros in front of it. So we're going to take this 0 and move it 1, 2, and 3. So our answer is 0.0049, which is 49/10,000. Which is 49/10,000, the same answer we got before. Why don't you go ahead now and you try problems 2 through 8. Now, if that's confusing, you can always transfer it back to a regular multiplication problem. Example, if we had 3 and 2/10 times 10 to the power of 2, well, 10 to the power of 2 is equal to 10 times 10, which is 100, and 3 to the power of 2 times 100 is equal to 3 to the power of 2, 3 and 2/10.